Hey everyone, it's Zip Dude here. I want to show you a quick and easy Stromboli recipe that you can make at home. With a few simple ingredients, we can make a tasty treat. To make this, we're going to need a third of a pound of ham, a third of a pound of hard salami, a quarter pound of pepperoni, a half a pound of mozzarella cheese, an onion, some seasonings, some mushrooms, and dough. I get the pre-made pizza dough. The first thing we will do is peel our onion and chop it up into fine little pieces. The next thing we need to do is take our pizza dough and let gravity do some work for us in thinning it out. We'll throw some flour down on the countertop and use a rolling pin to make a rectangle shape out of our dough. We'll put some seasoning down. We'll start with some garlic salt and then some Italian seasoning. We will put our salami down and then cover that with some ham. Ham I used is actually some leftover ham we had from the holiday, so it's not as thin as lunch meat, but it'll definitely do and it'll be tasty. We will then layer our remaining ingredients, the pepperoni, the onions, the mushrooms, and the cheese. What we're going to do now is flip the dough and repeat the process. Depending on the dimensions of your dough, this may be the last time you do this, or we may repeat this for a third time before you finally close everything up. Okay, folding the dough over for the last time. You want to make sure that you encapsulate all of the ingredients that you put inside the stromboli so everything is sealed up. We would put our stromboli on the baking sheet. We might need to bend it to make it fit like I had to. And now we're going to set our oven for 400. And once that's all done and it comes up to temperature, we'll put it in and we'll bake it for about 30 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. You want the crust to look golden brown like we have here. And you want to let this rest for about 10 minutes. So this way everything has a chance to cool off enough and you don't have the cheese kind of blowing out whenever you go to cut it. Here's the final product. Smells good, looks good, and it tastes good. Tell me how it works out for you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.